All right, everybody. Beautiful afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to our special stand-up program for as she competes in the much awaited Miss Globe 2024 pageant in Albania next month. Thank you very much.
Tabi tayo. Forward na lang po kayo. Forward na lang po, kuya.
That's good. To our friends in media who are always with us in this special occasion, maraming salamat sa inyo and to everyone here at Gateway Mall.
Ay, si kuya naman tinabunan kami.
Forward ka na lang. In this wonderful event, come on, come all, please take a seat.
Jasmine!
Join us in sending off your very beautiful Bini Miss Globe. And before we begin,
Ay, kuya, ano ba yan?
thank our sponsors, Araneta City, the city of firsts, and the official home of Bini Pilipinas. Pizza Hut, making it great.
Jasmine here. Jasmine here. Thank you.
Uniderm, the official skincare partner.
Jasmine here. Jasmine here.
Panalo ang Pilipino.
Okay.
Nakuha naman kami sa likod. Video lang. Nakuha ka sa likod.
And also thank you to Willa Bulletin, the official print partner.
GMA Network here. ABS-CBN News.
Albania News here. That's here.
Ganda.
Alright, go. Okay.
Albania
Okay,
News
go.
90 here.
Love in every drop. Picture City, Power Track, Molly Alasa, Christopher Bernard, and Dia
Ayan,
Alec,
tayo na.
Justine Aliman, and World Vision.
Kuya, pwede na kayo consult dito. Para pantay-pantay sa
A copy of the limited edition Bini
Ito na lang tayo, Mars.
Now is your chance to purchase the book. Just visit our merchandise booth right here at the Quantum Sky View and get a copy of the book and other Bini Pilipinas items. Sino na wala ng book? Wala pa, it's right there, available. You can get one. Why don't you pick yourself a copy? It's available right there at the merch booth. And right now, ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming her Queen Sisters. It's unfortunate that Dr. Trisha cannot join us today. She's under the weather, but she says to come. So why don't we welcome our first runner-up. Say hello to Bini Tala.
Ay, sorry.
And our Bini Pilipinas International Mirda Esguerra. Join her on stage.
Albania News. Wala lang pa tayo. Okay na yun. Pero wala lang pa tayo. Ay, gawin na lang tayo. Gawin na lang ako dito. Ay, sa likod.
Here. And on.
Opo na po na.
Here na here. Here na here. Okay. Thank you. Here. Closer. Closer, 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 closer.
Okay, thank you very much. Please remain standing, twin sisters. At marami pa tayong pag-uusapan this afternoon. But first, I know you're all excited to hear more from our beloved Binibini. But before that, let's look back at her amazing journey, at her amazing Binibini journey. Everyone, let's all watch this.
Ang hirap naman pala nito.
Ha?
Ang hirap naman pala nito. Oh, eto Mars. Yung taas ba ba?
Panglock lang to.
Pang-lock lang.
Pagtaas baba, dito ka.
Sorry po mga ka-crowd, inaayos ko lang po yung live natin.
Because in celebrations such as pageants, this community has contributed so much. And in this regard, we can give back to them by supporting this cause. Because as an individual, it is our responsibility that we ensure that everyone is treated equally despite their social needs.
Alright, we have prepared one more video. These are messages especially for you, Jasmine.
Hello, Jasmine. Oh my gosh, you will be representing Philippines on the international stage, and I can't express how proud I am. I know that you worked so hard to be proud of Philippines, and I know that you will get this so proud. I believe in you, and always remember to stay humble, believe in yourself, and focus on your goal. We love you so much. Hope to see you soon. Hi guys. Hi Justin, this is your Binibini sister, Cousin Saki, Christine Bahanawa, and I just want you to know that we are so proud and so excited as you start your journey to get the crown of Miss World. So, we are all behind you, we are rallying for you, and most especially, we know that we have to be very blessed. So, ngayon pa lang, super proud na kami sa'yo. And congratulations! Hi guys! Good luck and God bless on your upcoming competition. Please go. Praying for your success. Safe travels and always be remembered that you can. Hi there! Good luck
Ay, siya.
and I'm so certain that you will taste your joy. See you later, love you.
Hello, BBC. This is your BBB sister, number 32, CJ, and I'm so excited that you are off to Albania for the Miss World 2024. I know and I believe that you are capable to win it for the Philippines. And may God bless your best in the crowd. Only 1 year's old for you. Just have a safe flight. I love you so much.
Hi, Jess, your BBB sister, and of course, your BBB Miss World 2024. I wish you good luck on Miss World 2024. Of course, it's also all the way. I love you so much, and do your best, because I really get to make this really your Jasmine Bell, the Miss Philippines 2024, and manifesting Miss World 2024. So, I love you, and do your best for the one and only BBB sister. Hi, Jasmine. This is your Damisel sister, Anna Valencia, and I can't wait for your debut. Always remember that you're not only representing yourself, but the whole entire nation. So carry with you the hopes, dreams, and the spirit of your nation. Always believe in your own strength. If you need me, I'm just a phone call away. I believe in you, and so does every Filipino. So no matter the outcome, your journey will inspire countless others. So go out there and make us proud. I'll see you soon.
All right, thank you very much. Now, in behalf of our chair, Mrs. Stella Marquez Alnema, and the BBCI Executive Committee, headed by Diana Flores, Ms. Pia Mahenda, Ms. Pia Doria, thank you very, very much, and good luck to you, our dearest Jasmine. And now, how about some words from her twin sisters? Let's start with Binibini Tang.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. Oh my god! I'm not prepared actually. So for the past few months, we've been together, me and Ate Jasmine. During the competition, we weren't that close kasi yung seat namin malayo. So we weren't able to chika that much. But now that we are part of Binibini Pilipinas Incorporated, I get to know her more. I get to know that she is really committed. She has a goal, and she has a dream, and I know that she will fight for it. Kaya I believe that even if we send her now or tomorrow, she will be prepared and she will get that crown for sure, that glow crown. So I'm so excited, and we are manifesting for you, and we know that you can do it. We love you so much, Ate Jazz.
Hi Jasmine, and hi everyone. Thank you so much for spending your time with us here today to show our love and support to our Queen Jasmine Bungay from Pampanga, but now representing the Philippines. You know, Jas, we weren't able to spend so much time before because we were both from Pampanga po. And Jasmine started off her career earlier than me. So I've known Jasmine even though we haven't met personally back then in year 2016. But I've been admiring her since then. She was one of the beauty queens that I aspire to be, honestly. Because you really set the standard back then in Mundial ng Kapampangan. And you were the first representative of Pampanga to Miss Millennial. And from then on, you've inspired so many girls in our province in Pampanga. And from that, I am so extremely proud of you. You've touched so many lives without you knowing. And now that you're here in Binibini Pilipinas as our Queen, Miss Globe, you are in the position to touch more lives, more hearts, more dreams of girls and even young boys out there. So I am very proud of you, Jasmine, and I hope na nakikita mo kung ano yung nakikita namin potential within you. Because you came home. You myself. Kasi look at all these people na here for you, who are all willing to show our love and support for you. Kaya I really hope that you believe that you can do it. Kasi all of us here, we believe that you can. Without a doubt, a single doubt without. So I love you so much, Jasmine, and I hope and I know that this is going to be so much great for you, so much great experience. And I can't wait, we all can't wait to see that Miss Globe crown on top of your head. Congratulations and good luck, our Miss Globe 2024!
Alright, thank you very much, Green Sisters. And now is the time to pass the mic to Jasmine. Let's hear your thoughts as we welcome everyone once again.
First of all, I feel very overwhelmed. I'm a mix of a lot of emotions, but on top of that, I feel very grateful to all of you. I'm not sure if it's raining outside, but despite the imminent rain, you still chose to be here. You still braved the inconvenience that the rainfall may pose later on. You still chose to be here to show your support to me, so for that I'm very, very grateful. And to my BPCI family, to Miss Irene, to Miss Biana, to Sir G, Tita L, to Tita Liliana, to Kuya June, Kuya Rick, Ate Jen, to our sponsors. Thank you so much for all of your support and for allowing me the freedom to paint my own journey. Maraming salamat po to my BBT family, to the Pageant Media. Thank you so much for being here. You are half the reason why Philippines is such a powerhouse in the world of pageantry. And thank you for showing up to show your support for me. To my family, my friends, my Team Galaxy, my hair and makeup artists, my friends and my family, thank you so much po. If not because of your support, your love, your dedication to shape me to be the woman that I am today, I'll not even be able to win Pinipining Pilipinas Globe Crown. So sa lahat po, maraming salamat. This event motivates me and gives me more strength to prepare well and do well in the competition in Albania next month. And I hope that I get to bring home the 4th cup for the Philippines. Let's do that. Thank you.
Alright, thank you very much. And before we open the floor to the media, let's call in our very special sponsors to join us in a quick photo. Starting with our ACI family. And our Playtime family. Next time naman tayo, Pizzahan. And my Daily Collagen family. Next time naman tayo. All right, thank you very much. Next up, Playtime. And next, our Daily Collagen. And next, I'd like to call in our sponsors of Beauty Derm and Healthy and Pure.
Ayaw kang gagawin. Ligo yung kawan.
Wait, Sir G, nandiyan na po. Kailangan yung picture.
And one waiting, tawagin mo na natin si Mr. Angela Pinero, Rose Chen. There you go, Rob. Beauty Perfect. How can you do it? Look, ladies. All right, thank you very much. Jasmine, please remain standing. I'll get over the surprise message. Bye-bye, sayo, and here we are doing your heart.
Thank you so much for supporting us through the season.
How about that? SB19 for Jessica. All right, number 9, you see number 9 with your heart. All right, thank you very much. And now, please take a seat. Binibina Jasmine. Our friends from the media are very eager to ask questions. So at this point, we are officially opening the floor to questions from the media. Starting with the birthday boy.
Oli Berioso.
Birthday boy. Buwan naman ang nagdadala. Happy birthday to you, Oli. From your baby sky family.
Salamat sa lahat ng greetings.
Wow!
Hello po, happy birthday!
Thank you. Okay.
Birthday wish muna, Eme.
Aside from the Binibining Pilipinas hero title, can you tell us about your biggest achievement so far that will serve as an inspiration during the course of your international station?
Sorry, can you repeat that? I can't hear you properly.
Can you tell us about your biggest achievement that will serve as an inspiration to get there in the media?
I think the biggest struggle that I had to face prior to Binibining Pilipinas was actually deciding if it was time for me to join the national pageant, Binibining Pilipinas, to pursue this dream. Because I spent 5 years in Dubai. I spent it building my career, building it from scratch. I started from zero, from scratch. And when I was finally in a position where I was already comfortable in terms of my lifestyle in Dubai, I was already 26, and this chapter or this aspect in my life is, I feel like it's not yet complete. And I feel like if I forgo this pageant career or my career in pageant, then I would spend the rest of my life regretting why I didn't do it. It was such a difficult decision, but it paid off. It paid off eventually, and I'm just so glad that I made that decision and made that risk. And it serves also as a message to everyone that if your dreams mean more to you than money, than fame, or than anything else, then it's worth pursuing. It's worth risking everything. You can see that in the life that I live. And now I'm proud to be in Philippines Globe. I left my life there, but I'm beginning anew here, and I began it with a plan.
A simple question. Can you share us, do you have any body regimen or fitness exercises for your friendship?
Yes, of course. Lately, I've been training with Coach Florence from Gold's Gym. I make sure to do lift training, weights training, 3 or 4 times a week to prepare for the competition. Because as what Ate Marie advised me, Miss Globe started as a model competition, so they're looking for a model as the contestant. So I'm working towards that in terms of my body also. So I keep not a very strict diet, but I make sure that I work out regularly.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Diba? Ayun na. Tumabi ka talaga. Wala.
Yung walang mic eh.
Jasmine, I'd like to know what took place during the past couple of months since you won the Philippine Crown, and what has been the most significant activity during those 2 months that you think will help you with this gold crown?
Well, during, of course, weeks after the competition, we would expect the media tours. And it was very difficult for me to shift my mindset from enjoying my victory to preparing for the competition because I only have a limited time to prepare. I only had July, and now I'm gonna fly to Albania in September 24, so I have such limited time to prepare everything. To be honest, coming into Binibining Pilipinas, my only goal was to be there. And now that I have the chance to extend that dream that I was not really prepared for, so I really took time. I was very patient with myself in terms of the preparation because it's such an unknown territory for me. But I'm glad that my team are also as dedicated as I am in terms of the preparation, and I'm very glad that I chose my team, my Galaxy team, because I never felt alone in this uncharted territory as what they would describe it. What was your next question again, sorry?
Actually, magpapalo pa lang. Jasmine, paano nakatulong ang pagiging OFW mo sa pagkakamali sa international programs?
Well, I spent 5 years in Dubai, and during those years, it already felt like I was representing the Philippines because I want the other nationalities, my friends, my colleagues, to have a high regard for the Philippines and for the Filipinos. So even in the way that I work, even in the way that I deal with them, speak with them, or whenever I speak about our culture and practice it, I make sure that they would have a good impression. If they had a different take of the Filipinos, I make sure that I change it. I change it to something positive. So I think that alone prepared me because it felt like I was already representing the Philippines. That means that those experiences prepared me for this very amazing and momentous time in my life.
Thank you very much and best of luck.
Thank you.
Hi, Jasmine.
Hi, Mars.
Dito na si Jover.
Hi, Jover.
Jasmine, now that you are not representing Pampanga, you are now representing our country, which is the Philippines. So, as you represent our country on the international stage, how would you plan to showcase our values, culture, and uniqueness of our nation in your competition?
Well, I believe that I am a tapestry, a beautiful tapestry of the Filipino culture. As a Kapampangan and as someone who lived abroad, I became such a woman who's very proud of her origins. And I would gladly take that with me in Albania. Show them what the Philippines has to offer. Show them who a Filipina is in the way that I speak, in the way that I deal with them. Even in my wardrobe, I'm very excited to show what we've been preparing for all of you. And I'm pretty sure that just living the way, or just showing my true self to all of them, I believe that they'll be able to see the kind of Filipina that I am, the culture that I'm bringing, the traditions that I'm very proud of. Thank you.
Good luck, and hopefully we get that crown.
Yes, we will.
Hi, Jasmine.
Hello po.
Good afternoon. This is Jay from Magic Trend.
Yes po, nice seeing you again.
Nice to see you again. How's your life changed right after winning that crown?
Well, in some aspects, I feel like my life
getting to represent the whole country in an international arena, that brings so much pressure to me also, especially coming from a country that's very big on pageants. But I see that pressure as privilege and as a very valuable time for me to learn more, grow more, and experience more. And I'm just very glad to have this privilege and gonna maximize everything that it has to offer to also further my career in Manila. Thank you.
Thank you, dear. Follow-up question. Regarding with your national costume for this international competition, are you also incorporating or collaborated with the same designer or ibang designer?
It's a new designer, but he's also Kapampangan. And we are giving a different take on a national costume at Nike. And I hope that you will love it.
Thank you so much and best of luck with you.
Thank you.
Hi, Jasmine.
Hi, Sir Adam.
Hi. Ian Lawrence is here, attending your send-off. So, in pure curiosity, how different will your strategy be in terms of your pasarela? Because let's face it, when it comes to Miss Globe, it's all about modeling. There will be numerous modeling segments of the competition. Mas masabog pa siya compared to your previous pinipili walk.
Of course, I mean, we're going to be tweaking a lot in terms of my pasarela, my pag-establish, and I trust Mama Ian to give me a routine that suits my wardrobe best. What I can share to you right now is that you're going to be seeing a different Jasmine. Like if in Bikini, you saw a Jasmine that's very sweet, very charming, I'm going to give you a different personality, a different aspect of myself come Miss Globe. I can't wait to share all of that to all of you.
Now, my second question is, which aspect of the competition are you looking forward the most there in Albania?
Eh, ginaya mo yung question ko.
I just saw my gown in person yesterday. We got to shoot it. And I'm very, very excited for you guys to see it and for Mama Ian to, cook a very feisty routine for that gown. So I'm really looking forward to the prelims evening gown competition.
Thank you. Who will be your designer?
Thank you.
All right.
My designer is the same designer who helped me out during the Binibining Filipinas journey. He's Harvey Sennett. He's also the Bailey's.
Thank you and good luck.
Thank you.
All right, thank you. And before we move right along, let's go back. Our sponsors who wants to be our with our photo. Our friends from Dale Carnegie, they're all here. So please join us on stage.
Pwes mag-isip ka ngayon.
And stand by na po tayo, yung mga taga-Mary Queen. Thank you very much. American Shoes. And of course, the send-off is not complete without a photo-op with her support team.
Support team. Sana yung support team. Ay, no!
Ay, si Jonathan po ito. nutritionist at work, so I searched today. So, please send me your questions for Jasmine, and I'll be happy to answer for you.
Thank you very much. Dito na ba yung mga taga-Pizza Hut?
Binibini International na tanong na pamahin niya. So, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be happy to ask it.
And to lead our send-off formula, let's all welcome Jasmine's family.
Hello, Binibini International. Sorry ha, medyo I think nagkakaproblema yung lemon ko. So, I've done a pala. So, medyo shaky yung footage. Pero I think it's locked now.
So I'm going to share this live streaming, guys, of send-off of our Binibining Pilipinas Globe 2024 Jasmine Bungay.
Before that, a message for you.
Hi, Sir Ron!
A message for
Mahihain mo sila.
Anyway, thank you very much to your family and your friends for your support and our sponsors. Right now, it's time for one-on-one interviews with the media, and now it's your time. So we'll give you enough space for you to have a one-on-one.
Okay na.
One-on-one, yes, of course.
Last question.
Thanks, Winter Snow!
Tumukha mo si Kim Chu Jasmine. Ang ganda-ganda mo ngayon.
Maraming salamat.
Actually, kaya ko pinakabot ng question na to kasi every send-off natin sa Binibini Pilipinas, ito tinatanong ng budget media. So, Jasmine, ready for?
Wait lang.
So, Jasmine, why should you be our next Miss Globe title?
Well, to be honest, whenever I get asked that question, even during Binibini, I get floored, I get lost for words, because I've always felt like I'm average, like I'm just like everybody else. I'm not special, or I'm not more amazing than women. I see myself in a lot of women sharing their experiences, and I think that's my strength. In the way that I relate to all of them, in the way that I see myself in all of them. I am a representation of the modern woman that we have today. One who is unafraid to forge her own path, and one who is willing to give a part of herself to enable those who think that they're not capable, that they can, that they will and they must. Because a woman who fails to live her life to the fullest, who fails to live the way she's supposed to, it leaves the world way, way less than what it could be. And I aim to empower all of them, and that is Miss Globe to me. And I am Miss Globe 2024!
Jasmine! Jasmine!
Thank you very much. Truly beautiful words from our Pilipinas Globe 2024. And to everyone here at Gateway Mobile 2, please join us in showing our support to Pilipinas Jasmine Bungay. Please follow all our social media pages at Pilipinas for updates on the journey to Miss Globe. Sama-sama po tayo sa pagsuporta sa Pilipinas Globe Jasmine Bungay. Again, we'd like to thank you and support us sponsors of the Pilipinas. Para never city, the city of purchase and the official home of Pilipinas. Pizza Hut, making